Well, one of my biggest hobbies is going to the desert, so I wanted to learn how to work in my own vehicle and maybe even get a job in the same industry.
I was going to college at the time, and so I decided to take a break from that and go try to learn from the Fab School, and I ended up learning a lot more than I ever learned at college.
I had a family friend whose son who went here. He went to the same class, graduated, and is doing really well for himself now.
I used to work for Aerotech, and I did a little bit of some grinding and a little bit of finish work over there.
I like off-roading, and I always wanted to build roll cages for my own personal use, but then it turned into I can do not just roll cages, I can do pretty much anything, which is pretty cool.
I remembered my friend had a sticker that said the Fab School.
Me and my buddies, we all had trucks in high school and everything, and we'd try and go out to the desert. We'd always come back and like break a ton of stuff, and so we'd just constantly be in like each other's garages just trying to figure out, what's wrong, how to repair it.
And then I started working with a buddy of mine who turned into a mentor, doing some of the classic truck and car stuff, and I was like, man.
Before here, I was at a steel mill for a couple of years, so I wanted to do something better for myself and pursue my dreams.
I've always been into building stuff and making stuff with my hands.
In high school, I started a welding class.
I just retired out of the military, and I was looking for an occupation I wanted to be in.
I did a little bit of fabrication in the past at another school, and I just wanted to pursue that more.
Watching my boyfriend with his welding at home, it always had me interested in it.
I always wanted to attend a formal school like this that encompasses everything that you guys have here. And the shop that I was working at moved.
My favorite project was definitely the roll cage. Working with a big group of guys, keeping everyone up on the same page of what we were doing. One person would have one idea, and then another person would have another idea. Working on like an actual vehicle and doing something fun was great for me.
I'd have to say the bowl stand. We got a lot of creativity and
Able to let my creativity kind of come out.
Made us think outside of the box.
It allowed me to use my own view on things and create something that was unique to me.
The one where you can be the most creative with it.
Favorite project had to be the bead roll.
Coming up with the cool little intricate designs and making basically posters out of metal.
One of my car and another one of this portrait.
I did a design that I've always done my whole life, and I brought it to life on metal, and it was exactly how I envisioned it.
Probably the motorcycle project.
It was just cool to build like a whole motorcycle chassis.
I got to do an entire back piece all by myself, so that was really fun. I was really proud of that one.
The vase, just trying to figure that out and figuring out a way that would work without making it way too difficult.
I really liked the body panel, like bead rolling it, and I thought it fit pretty good.
Not so much project, but my favorite piece of the program was doing the repair team. We did the race in Glen Helen. Pretty much everything encompassing in the school all at once in 2 days.
There's a lot of things I can do now that I couldn't do.
Man, where do I start?
Everything pretty much.
Lay a consistent weld.
I didn't know anything about welding.
When I first came here, I never even touched a welder. I touched a TIG torch once in my life, and it was like on my hate list for a while, but then after being here, I love it.
Everything. Couldn't weld before.
I can TIG weld now, so that's fun because I always wanted to learn TIG welding.
Measurements.
How to measure.
Tube notching, bending, even simple stuff like reading a tape measure.
TIG welding, especially on the aluminum.
It's like you earn it. You keep grinding to get better.
Tube bending.
The TIG welding, the manual machining, all the sheet metal work.
I'd never touched a welder before I came here and ended up loving it.
I feel very confident in getting a job. They help you a lot with the resume process and hiring, and when they teach you things, they explain it in a way that applies to the real world.
I feel a lot more confident for sure now.
If a job was to ask me to weld a certain junction or cut out a piece to a specific specification, I feel like I could build and then not only just cut, but put the pieces together into a final product.
I feel confident about my skills.
Not only do we know how to weld, but we know how to fabricate just pretty much anything.
Yeah, I mean, I feel really confident. Like I feel good. Like you could drop me in a shop, and I feel like I could definitely hold my own.
Very confident.
I put myself in a mindset that every project I make is almost as if I'm making it for a customer.
It's kind of gave me a good rhythm of how stuff is done and ways to go about things and like right and wrong ways of doing stuff and working with new people.
So I definitely feel way more confident like applying to a job.
I know I've talked to people who've graduated from here and they're like, it's not totally like here, but it's very similar.
I don't think I'll really know until I get there.
Pretty confident. There are some things that I still need to work on post-graduation.
The program really helped me identify my strengths and weaknesses, be able to really rectify those weaknesses and build them and then make them not so weak.
This program is both welding and fabricating. At the time, I didn't know they went kind of hand in hand. Welding side is helped me to get a job over at SpaceX, which I will be starting as soon as I graduate.
Shout out my mom being my biggest encouragement. You know, she's always by my side.
My folks, obviously.
I think my instructor Gio and my instructor Angel helped me out a lot.
Angel just has a bunch of knowledge, years of just like trade secrets almost, so it's super fun learning from him.
Mainly Gio. Lots of questions asked.
My instructors, for sure, they helped a lot. My parents, grandparents.
The whole class, and also the two instructors, Gio and Angel, are a real big help.
My classmates, all the teachers, even the administrators.
Probably Leo and Manny.
Every day, like, hey, how's it going, guys, during lunch breaks, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody here is just supportive.
Probably my instructors, you know.
Big thanks to my parents. My Aunt Vicky too, she's been letting me stay with her. She lives up here.
My instructors, Angel and Gio, the things they taught me got me to where I'm at right now and today.
Obviously Angel and Gio, my classmates helping me.
The Angel, Gio, Kevin, John has helped a lot too. Like really, like they're really into it.
Working with Angel, our lead instructor, and having him kind of push me when I would try to take the easy way.
Angel, Gio, Kevin, Victor letting us use the grill, Jen, TJ, Nick, Penny, Joanne, some guy named Brandon, the taco lady, and who's the guy that cleans?
Don't hesitate, just do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
Just do it.
Oh, for sure, do it. Oh yeah,
Do it.
go for it.
Go for it.
This is a life-changing school for me, and like it is seriously a ton of fun. Like it really does fly by.
If you have a passion for like fabrication and building stuff,
I would highly recommend it.
You won't regret it at all.
Definitely a good experience.
Just focus on improving your skills because those skills will carry on into your jobs.
I just learned so much here.
Honestly, if you come to this school with the mindset that you're gonna progress, you're gonna put 120% effort on no matter what you do, this school will help you reach your goals and your dreams that you want.
Forge your own future. Nobody's gonna do it for you.
if they're into this type of stuff, it's definitely the place they should be.
You don't have to have any experience, and it builds all of the foundation that you need for moving forward.
As long as you're willing to put work in, you'll get a good time out of here, I think.
One of the best decisions I've made by far is to do this program.
Right now I'm in the process of applying to a bunch of different jobs, so hopefully I get one in my area that's race focused.
After I graduate, I would love to work for a shop and kind of learn some experience for a couple of years, and then eventually in the future start my own shop.
I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm really looking into doing stuff with like movie sets, movie props, maybe stuff for like Disney or Universal.
I landed an interview with SoCal Billet, and I'm currently practicing welding for them and doing intakes and power strokes for them for vehicles. And I'm gonna continue, as soon as I graduate, I'm gonna continue going in and working for them and studying with them.
After graduation, I want to do DDM. I don't know if that's going to be in the books or not, but I want to do digital design here at the Fab School.
I'm definitely looking into working at a shop.
I'm moving to Fort Worth, DFW, and then I got a job out there, off-road fabrication shop, which I'm absolutely stoked about. Hopefully I can just continue to grow my skills out there. Hopefully race one day. That's my goal.
I'll probably keep helping out my buddy with the shop, start doing some stuff over on the side for my own personal projects.
I'm gonna go work at Geyser Brothers in Arizona and so make UTV parts and stuff like that and see where that goes for me.
I want to hopefully get into a shop in the OC area of just fabrication for roll cages, suspension, A-arms, really anything to do with off-road.
Go home for a bit and I'm trying to move to Salt Lake. So this one shop called Big Kid Custom Rides, I'm gonna go do a trial day with them next month.
Me and my boyfriend are going to be doing a rolled cage for his Ranger that we're going to be building a rolled cage, making it into a desert truck.
I'm going to Europe, buying a motorcycle. I'm gonna ride around, find some people doing some cool stuff.
So we graduate next Wednesday, will be the 26th, and then on the 31st, I start at SpaceX.
Hopefully after I graduate, I get to get in a cool job, building some cool stuff, whether it's sending rockets into space or sending a fast car down the quarter mile or in the dunes, whichever it is. But I know at the end of the day that something cool is gonna happen and I'm being in a cool spot, hopefully.